Hello ka-math learners! Welcome sa ating YouTube channel, Learn Math PH. Our topic natin for this week's video is paano magko-convert ng improper fraction into mixed number and vice versa. So without further ado, let's get started. So number one question, unahin natin muna pala is improper fraction into mixed number. So problem number 1 is 7/4. Paano tayo magko-convert ng improper fraction into mixed number? So ito yung rule. Simply divide and the quotient will be the whole number and the remainder will be the numerator and the divisor will be the denominator. So, ganito yung ating ibig sabihin. So, halimbawa guys sa 7/4, no? 7 divided by 4. 7 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So, ito yung remainder 3. Okay guys, so ang sabi dun sa rule, simply divide and the quotient will be the whole number. Ano yung quotient guys? Itong 1. Ito yung quotient. So, yung quotient daw, yun yung magiging whole number. So, 1. Tapos, yung remainder daw will be the numerator. 1 and 3 over. Tapos, ikakopy lang natin yung denominator. Kung ano daw yung divisor, itong number 4. Parang simply copy lang din yung denominator niya. So, okay? So, this is the final answer. Number 2 naman. So, 13 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Minus. So, remainder 3. Okay. So, ulit yung quotient, ito, yun yung magiging whole number niya. So, 2 and yung remainder, yung 3, yun yung magiging numerator over copy 5. So, guys, pwede nating i-copy itong divisor o yung simply copy the denominator ng ating original problem. Okay? So, yung 7/4, pag kinonvert into mixed number is 1 and 3/4. At yung 13/5 naman, pag kinonvert into mixed number is 2 and 3/5. So guys, paano mag-convert from mixed number into improper fraction? Okay, so next slide please. Okay, so paano naman mag-convert ng mixed number into improper fraction? So kanina nag-divide tayo, ngayon naman multiply, tapos addition. So yung rule natin how to convert mixed number into improper fraction is multiply the denominator and the whole number and then add the numerator. The result will be the numerator ng improper fraction. Tapos for the denominator, just copy the denominator. Okay, so ganito lang guys. 11 times 5 kasi yung denominator daw i-multiply sa whole number. So 11 times 5 is 55 plus. Ipa-plus natin to. Guys, no? So ganun lang. Times tapos plus. 11 times 5. Multiplication and then addition. So ito. 11 times 5 is 55 plus 7 is 62. Tapos, ikakopy lang daw natin yung denominator. 62/11. So, ganun lang guys. Napakadali na. How about next problem? 8 and 4/9. Multiplication. And then addition. So, 9 times 8, 72. Plus 4, 76. Again guys, 9 times 8, 72. Plus 4 is 76. Over, copy natin yung denominator, 9. So, this is the final answer. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na ito. Kung nakatulong sa iyo ang video na ito, please like and share to your friends and classmates. At kung bago ka pa lang sa ating YouTube channel, huwag mong kakalimutan mag-subscribe. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn Math PH, because in our channel, you will find and learn a clear and simple explanation to math lessons and ideas, and also a step-by-step solution on how to improve your math problem-solving skills. Kaya laging tandaan ang ating outro message, every problem there is and there's always has a solution. So, love lots, keep smiling and keep learning. Bye! See you in our next video. Salamat!